How to use the control settings on the Gen40 Plus. Before using the Gen40 Plus, make sure to securely plugged into a 110 volt outlet. Note, the functions on the control panel and the remote are exactly the same, except for the remote has an eco mode button, which you can press at any time and the unit will instantly turn on eco mode. To turn the unit on, press the power button. It'll beep and the unit will turn on. The unit will start in high heat mode by default. The display will be red and show HI. Touch the power button again to shut the unit off. It will continue to blow air for approximately 15 seconds until the heat is internally expelled from the unit. Then the unit will shut off. To set the mode when the unit is on, press the mode button once. The fan mode will be high heat mode. The light will be red and the screen will display an HI. Press the mode button for a second time, the fan mode will be in low heat mode, and the light will be orange, and the screen will display an LO. Press the mode button for a third time, and the fan mode will be in eco mode. The light will be green, and the screen will display 79 degrees Fahrenheit. Press the mode button for the fourth time, the fan will be in cool fan mode. The light will be blue, there will be nothing on the display. Using eco mode. In eco mode, touch the plus or the minus button to adjust the temperatures up and down. The temperature range is from 63 degrees Fahrenheit to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. In eco mode, the light will be green and the screen will default to 79 degrees Fahrenheit. When the unit senses the temperature in the area reaches less than 79 degrees, it will automatically switch to high heat mode. It will continue to cycle as the temperature in the area fluctuates. When the unit is in eco mode, if the control panel or the remote has not been touched for 30 seconds, the screen will automatically dim. When you touch either the control panel or the remote again, the screen will return to normal brightness. How to set the timer? While the unit is on, touch the timer button to set the timer. Use the plus or minus buttons to adjust the time you want the timer to be set for. The timer can be set from 1 to 12 hours, 18 hours, 24 hours, 36 hours, and 48 hours. 3 seconds after setting the timer, the remaining time will show on the display. Touch the timer button again to cancel the timer. To make the unit swing and tilt. To make the unit swing from left to right, on the remote, just press the swing button, and on the display, press and hold the plus button for 2 to 3 seconds until the unit swings left and right. To stop the swing, press the swing button on the remote or press and hold the plus button on the display for 2 to 3 seconds. To make the unit tilt up and down, on the remote, press the tilt button. On the display, press and hold the minus button for 2 to 3 seconds to turn the tilt on, and the unit will tilt up and down. To stop the unit from tilting, press the tilt button on the remote or on the display, press and hold the minus button for 2 to 3 seconds. If you like, the unit can swing up and down and tilt left and right at the same time. Note, this unit has a memory function to automatically remember the last timer, temperature, and mode setting. It does not remember swing or tilt functions. If the unit is unplugged or moved, the unit will clear the memory and restore to default settings. If you have any further questions or need help, please contact us. We're here to help.